talk about the ball placement menu. All you do is right click for the menu to show up. Tap the balls menu, and then you'll see you can select the cue ball, C for cue ball. Just highlight that, click that. Your cue ball shows up down there. Now let's say we're going to practice a shot using the number 9 ball. We're going to close out of there. All you have to do is tap the X and then go over and grab the ball by going over to it and grabbing with the upper left hand button. And you can move them to wherever you want on the pool table. Now we're going to go and grab the other ball, object ball. We're going to practice this shot, for example. All you have to do to see the line to the pocket for the object ball is put your cursor over it, click on it. It shows the line to the pocket, and it also shows your ghost ball. Then we're going to go to the cue ball, click on that. That has the aiming line that you can move over to the ghost ball, and it automatically locks in the proper aiming line, shows you the line to the pocket, and this green line is the tangent line, which is always 90 degrees from the lines of the pocket, and it already does that for you. I like to call the stop shot line. You'll learn more about that later. And what's also really cool about this is, say now you want to practice the same shot but from a different cue ball location. You can go ahead, put your cursor over the cue ball and drag it with that upper left hand yellow button. You can change the angle of the shot. See how it shows you 38 degrees, 40 degrees? You can set up the same shot over and over again and even memorize that specific shot, name it whatever you want, to practice it later. Basically that looks like this. The cue ball will go here, the object ball will go here, and the ghost ball is here, which is the imaginary spot you want to aim at. You can also randomize the balls that you have on the table by selecting S. And I'll just give you another random shot. And if you would like to, let's say, shoot a random 15 ball pattern, just push R. You'll get all 15 balls in the cue ball. If you like that pattern and want to go back to it and practice it the exact same pattern later, you just save it and you can practice it as many times as you want. It's awesome. You can also do Shift R. Let's say you want to practice 9 ball. So Shift R, and you've got 9 balls.